So the first one, collaborate, that means certainly within your own company and then also up and down the supply chain. Collaborate is a fancy word. All it means is working together, identifying problems together and solving those problems together, understanding what the value stream is, understanding where the waste exists, and then eliminating it together. And then creating process discipline. And all process discipline means is, do you have documented standard work? Do you have you made an attempt for quality at the source or to error-proof or to have poka-yokes? Do you have visual management so everybody knows the score of the game in the process? And are you doing any kind of PDCA process or a Plan, Do, Check, Act process around it? And then the last element is just around focusing on total cost.
Yeah, well, back to collaboration too. In the supply chain, it's so important because we can't do it all ourselves, right? If we're focused on our core competency, which might be manufacturing or distribution, well, then we're not focused on, or we're maybe not any good at traditional warehousing or transportation or whatever some of the other things is. So we rely on supply chain partners. It's just to set up freight forwarders, our suppliers. We need partnerships, true supply chain partners, and in order for us to be successful, we have to collaborate. We have to recognize that we impact each other. If we make a decision, it has direct impact on our downstream partners. And we have to work together in true win-win and sharing information and going to each other's operation to see what we do to each other and just recognizing that we have to work together. It sounds simple, but tell people you need to tell your customers to work with you, and they need to be sharing their consumption and giving you data, point of sale data, or real-time information. They look at you like, yeah, right. So what we say is, okay, in absence of that, get as close as you can. Right? What's the first point in your supply chain that you have visibility that downstream, as close to your customer as you have visibility to, that something just happened? Consumption of your product, a shipment went out, an order was received, and use that information until we get to show the customer the benefits of them working collaboratively and show that win-win and have real partnerships. Get as close as you can in your current state and use that as your demand signal. Even though we recognize it's disconnected, it's as close as we currently can get to, and likely if we use that, it's better than other methods that we're currently using to try to forecast what demand may be down the road.